Let's say we discussed in the morning, right? Some situation, external geopolitical activities are happening that is impacting the stock market, right? Prices are going down. How prices are going down? Somebody need to sell, right? Then only price can go down. That's my understanding. As per what we discussed, the retailers are the ones who are most probably going to have that fear and going to sell, right? But we also saw that the retailer's percentage is very less. So how that much of a small percentage is impacting the whole market sentiments?
Once again, welcome to another video from Happy Investing with Sam. Actually, it
That's
is a
correct.
very valid, good question. இதை சொல்றதுக்கு நான் வந்து பார்த்தா I am also taking the help of screener. நீங்கள் what you are thinking, okay, investors, what you are thinking in the percentage 71, 10, 12, 6 and 5%. Assume, okay, I have something better to show you today. Okay, if you take this, I have shown already big player stake, இவ்வளோ stake வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா it's there already. Some percentage of people இருக்காங்க. But the point you need to understand is market participants are two types, strong and weak. Your question is, when weak players are very less people and strong players are having a huge chunk of quantity of the stake, how does the price is influenced when they are not selling? That's the question, right?
Correct.
To answer that, there are two types of people. One is investor, one is trader. Forget about weak players. In weak players also there will be same category. Strong players are again subdivided into weak players, investor and traders. This investment people, if you go back to the video and listen it in this perspective, the first YouTube video, in investor, this percentage contribution will never change. If you go to Reliance, if you just go to investor, promoter 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50. There is no change, right? Even though irrespective of any market crash, they are not going to sell. Clear?
Yeah.
FIIs 23, 22, 22, 22, 22, 22, 21, 21, 19, 19, 19, 19, 19. So there is a downtrend here. Okay? That is the indication of FIIs are selling out. I am taking only the largest company to explain what I wanted to explain. And DIIs. So DII is like 15, 16, 16, 15, 16, 16, 16, 17, 17, 19, 19, 19. This is the indication of the selling is done by FII and the absorption is done by DIIs, where our SIP money plays out. So they exchange the hands between the big players. That's what is happening. Now come to the retail people. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Okay? This is the major chunk distribution. From here, you see there is nothing happening. FIIs are selling and DIIs are buying, then why the price has to come out? But that is not the way how the stock market works. For example, in FIIs, they have reduced from 2 to 1.73. For this, some selling has to happen. They have reduced from 1.67 to 1.15. For this, some selling has to happen. But the selling will actually happen to another hand, but at some price. They will actually find out the base price and then transact it. There are again something which is new terminology for you, block deals, bulk deals. Okay, maybe you can just infer that in Google. It will be very easy. Block deal and bulk deal. Just Google it out. They exchange the stock, not in market. Some people exchange the market, some people exchange off market in block deal and bulk deal. Like I am gifting you a stock in a family. I don't want to go to market. I can just go to CDSL website and say I am gifting to Jojin. I want to give 1 lakh of stocks for his marriage. Just request and then that transaction will happen. But at what price this transaction will happen? At market price. But these players can decide at what price they are going to exchange that. That will give the indication to market. Because of that sentiment, there is one possibility the market will actually go towards that price. For example, the price which is the market price is 100 rupees, but these people are actually transacting the stock at 80 rupees. Then the market will think, okay, they have more data than me, They are selling it at 80 rupees. They are buying it 80 rupees. Are we selling at overtraded, means overvalued price? Okay, bring the market to down. This equilibrium will happen. This is one of the reason. Okay, again here this 6.53, 6.59, 6.49, 6.27, 6. See, this is changing. It is not consistent. You see, 2 again 1.9 again 2.3. What I am trying to bring here with respect to this is, with the strong player also there are investors, there are traders. Investor are the person who keeps the stock for long term, but within that long term also they will play a trade. In that trade the price action is created. That price action is created not with their whole chunk of money but a portion of money, because if they wanted to create a fear, they will do that with the trading set of size of portfolio. If they wanted to create a greed, they will do that with trading size of portfolio. If strong player is having some 70% of the stake all over market, they will not have all the 70% in trading. They will have 50 to 60 in investing. Their portfolio of 10 to 15% is enough to create a price action, because price action is not based on the size of the stake. Price action is based on demand and supply. This 15% of the trading stock or stake is enough to create that demand and supply. To go to that example, I will create a volume indicator. Volume. Okay. I will switch it on. Okay. Now, for Gillette example, I am saying, here there is a candle, right, where the volume has spiked up. Here there is a candle where the volume is not there. If we can read it well. Wait, let me show it in a different. Okay, let me go to the 5 minutes chart so that it is easy to. Okay, daily is also okay. What I'm trying to say is, see, these are the volume candles where most of the stocks are transacted, number of stocks. Okay, but price has no correlation with that at that point in time.
Okay.
Number of stock transacted does not mean the stock price has to go up. If they want to sell also, they will come and then push number of stocks. Here, what it will influence is demand and supply. In fact, if you don't want onions, but market or agriculture farmers are producing so much of onions, the market will be flooded with onions, but you don't want that much onions. So, when you don't want the onion, but the onion are more in market, what will happen to the price?
It will come down.
Price will come down. The reverse is also true. When you want onion, but farmers are not able to produce onions, price will go up. Same thing, the volume is the indicator of how much it is available, how much it is not available. During those days, these days, the volumes is very, very low. You understand this? During these days, volumes are high. So that is actually influencing supply and demand. That is influencing price action.
Okay.
If you are not clear to bring it to basics, investor and trader, investor will not create price action, trader will create the price action. Trader will create the price action because of using supply and demand. So now the correlation between supply and demand is disconnected from the value or the stake of percentage of stake the big players have. It's not about percentage of the stake, it's about how they wanted to create fear or how they wanted to create greed. They can create it with only 10% of their portfolio, because around 400 lakhs crores, I don't know whether number are correct, avlo kodi avanga kitta irukku. In that, they are only going to use 4 crore to create this price action, or 4 lakh crore to create this price action. That is what they have created yesterday.
Okay.
So again, it might not very clear, it might not be very clear at the first. Re-listen to the recording. If you have doubt, still you can clarify. I suggest, if you have doubt, please clarify.
Okay.
Even I don't know whether I have explained in a better way, because I'm going with the flow. I thought this explanation will give you the answer. If you're not clear, take time, try to re-listen. If you're not getting, please ask, don't feel shy. This is a very
Yeah,
basic question which we need to clarify.
Yeah, I think I have better clarity now, but I think I'll see the recording.
Yes, please. Because since you are very new to the market, these are very basic concept you need to go. One more thing, I am not teaching the basic only for the purpose you need to get the question and come here and ask, so that it is the ask from your side that will actually go and settle in your mind far better than if I push this into your mind. That's a push and pull type of knowledge. If you pull the knowledge, it will go and fit into the right area. If I push the knowledge, it will go around the head or over the head. But I am ready to teach the basics, but in a different way. Ask and get it. Whenever you get, don't feel shy to ask. It is a very, very safe forum. Ask and get it. Hope இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு ஒரு பெட்டர் கிளாரிட்டியை கொடுத்துருக்கும்னு நான் நம்புறேன். Please subscribe the channel. If you like the video, please like it. Share it with your friend if you have found value in this video. அது மட்டும் இல்லாமல் உங்களுக்கு வேற ஏதாவது வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா விஷயங்கள் பற்றி தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும், ஃபினான்ஷியலாவோ இல்லை மணி மேனேஜ்மெண்ட்லையோ இல்லை இன்வெஸ்டிங்லையோ இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா ப்ளீஸ் புட் இட் இன் த கமெண்ட் செக்ஷன் ஆஸ் அ கொஸ்டின். என்னுடைய அனுபவத்தில் என்னால் என்ன கிளியர் பண்ண முடியுமோ ஆஸ் அ ஃப்ரெண்ட் ஐ கேன் ஆக்சுவலி கான்ட்ரிபியூட் தட் இன் ஒன் மோர் வீடியோ ஆர் நெக்ஸ்ட் வீடியோ. So until that next video, thank you for your time. Happy investing.